This is a Fort Worth Book Festival.
And it's being hosted by the Doc Bookshop.
Lots of vendors. Lots of authors and vendors.
Special guest coming starting at 9 a.m. Okay? Hey, go get your water. 11:15, 11:16. Water right here. All right, brother. Who the change, brother? Who the change? That's such a help, isn't it?
Y'all want to pull us out the shirt,
All right. Somebody got a dry shirt on now. That thing was soaked. Yes, sir. I misunderstood. All right. Great job. Thank you so much, y'all. Welcome to Journey with a Big Fist. More people are coming, y'all. This might be our biggest turnout ever. Ever, y'all. We appreciate it. It's all because of you, okay? Thank you.
Lots of vendors.
I'm gonna go out here in a minute, y'all. Check it out. You can DJ.
Here's the N.L. McLaughlin stand.
We're gonna go see them. We're gonna go see them in the shoe swap.
There she is.
Who's in it?
GoPro, stop recording.